Astros 1.2b7. Which number sentence has a sum of 15? Mark your answer. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to need to solve each of these first. So I'm going to start with 7 plus 8. Well, I know 7 and 7 is 14, and 1 more is 15. Even though I see this one has a sum of 15, I'm still not done. I want to go back and check all my others to make sure this is the only reasonable answer. 10 minus 5, well, I know 5 and 5 is a double fact, and that's 10. So I know that 10 minus 5 must be 5. 6 plus 6, I know that's my double, and it's 12. And 8 minus 4, well, I know 4 and 4 equals 8 because that's a doubles fact, so I know 8 minus 4 must be 4. So the only reasonable answer could be 7 plus 8, which is a near doubles. Look at the dimes shown below. Skip count determine the total value of all the coins together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I know it has a value of 100 cents. Make sure you guys are putting your cent sign. That's really important. You may also want to write it underneath 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's another little trick to help you. A rectangle is cut into 2 equal halves. Which picture shows a possible shape for each half? Circle the shape that you chose for your answer. Okay, so I'm looking for a shape that is cut into 2 halves, meaning 2 equal parts are going to make my rectangle. Well, if I put 2 circles together, that's not going to make a rectangle. So I know that's not the correct answer. If I put 2 triangles together, I could make a rectangle, so that is a possible. If I put 2 plus signs together, I could not make a rectangle, so I know that the triangle is the correct answer. In which set of 3-dimensional figures could have both figures be described as having curved surfaces? Mark your answers with a smiley face. All right, so I'm looking for 2 figures that have curved surfaces. So in set A, I see there's a curved surface and a curved surface. Set C, this is not a curved surface, and set B, neither of these are curved surfaces. So I know my smiley face goes for set A. A number has been composed and contains 6 tens and 10 ones as shown below. Which number shows another way to write the number? Mark your answer. So I know I have 6 tens and 10 more ones. So this could make another group of 10. And so I could go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So my answer would be 70. Oh my goodness. Number 6. How many tens will you have after regrouping 3 tens and 16 ones? Well, I have 3 groups of 10, and I see right here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This makes one more group of 10. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, and then I have 6 left over, which is a total of 4 tens. Lavina has 1 10 and 19 ones as shown below. What is another way this number can be composed? Well, I could group this group of tens, and so I could have it as 2 tens and 9 ones. I could also decompose this 10, and I could have it as 29 ones. Ling composed a number using 12 10 blocks shown below. How can Ling represent the blocks a different way? Mark your answer. Well, I know I could take 10 groups of 10 to make 100, so I can go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And I could represent that with 100 with 2 tens. And I see 1 10, 2 ones, 2 tens, 1 1, 100. Here's my 100, but I still have 2 extra groups of 10, or 102 tens.